Okay, so it is now the day before I move and I'm freaking out because I have a lot of stuff and I try to, I mean, to me it's a lot of stuff, to somebody else it may not be a lot, but I try my best to like use multiple boxes or containers so that things aren't heavy, but things are still heavy. But maybe to me, because I'm only like 125, but to somebody else it's not that heavy. But I don't know, we'll see tomorrow how it goes. But this is what the place looks like now, and everything that needs to be unassembled, the movers do it, so then that way they can reassemble it when we get to the new place. That's trash that's going on. I got these containers with all my food stuff. Like, I still have stuff laid out, you see? So trying to figure out how I'm gonna clean. And then I have a whole bunch of boxes here. This container, I'm putting cleaning supplies in that. Some other boxes here, some I need to start closing up. And then all the rest of the other boxes are over here. And then some right here. I think this is just 2, or there might be a box behind it. I'm not sure, but it's like so many small boxes because I didn't want things to be too heavy. Cause just imagine if I like packed everything in like 10 extra large Home Depot boxes, like that would've been crazy. I have 2 boxes over there. I'm gonna close out that container. These suitcases have clothes in them, believe it or not. And I think like 3 of the extra large boxes also has clothes too, because I put them in those Ziploc bags. Then I have my hangers in that black garbage bag. I have a blanket in there, but it's the outside blanket. It's the blanket that you bring to like the park or like a festival or something. Like, that's not like a in the house type of blanket. And then I have to finish clearing off my desk. That's empty. I have to unplug and pack up the printer. And in here has like extra blankets for like when guests come over. So I just need to, I think, tape that down. Yeah, so this is everything. And then it's just, oh, my bathroom is pretty much finished. It's just, I've just left like soap and stuff and like cleaning supplies because I'm gonna have to clean in here. I have to pack all that up. That's my skincare and hair care. You can definitely tell I went to cosmetology school because look, I have 2 full containers and I already have another container buried over there with like hair and skincare stuff. And then in here, yeah, my bed's a mess. I think I have a bag underneath my bed, and then that stuff right here is just a mattress cover for the mattress when it's time. This is empty, and the dresser is empty as well. These are just the last minute stuff on top that I have to pack up as well. And then the closet is pretty much empty. I have to go home to Connecticut, and then I have like a work meeting thing, so I left out clothes separately that I'm gonna pack aside in a different bag so that I can find it. So these are donations, and I have to vacuum after I clear out. And then this is for the homeless shelter that I still haven't done yet, that I was supposed to do from when, and just my hamper with stuff. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. And then the stuff on the wall, it's just gonna have to, I can worry about that later. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Okay, it's moving day and the movers should be here at any moment. I have to go and meet them downstairs by the outside entrance so they know how to get in, and then bring them upstairs so they can see everything that I have so they can start to load up the truck. Luckily, the next place is only about 15-20 minutes away, so if it does take a while for them to pack everything on the truck, at least I know it won't take long for them to get to the other location. I'm like super overwhelmed because I have so much stuff, but I guess like, I don't know. It's so many boxes, but I mean, if I had put like divvied up like the extra large boxes into 2 large boxes or into 4 medium boxes, then it would be a ton of boxes. Like I tried to not use as much boxes to pack up. So total count of boxes is 52 or 53. But it ranges in sizes from like a small box to an extra large box. And then I have about 12 big plastic containers. I think they're like 30 quart or 50 quart, I don't know. So yeah. And then all my other furniture, like the couch, the desk, TV stand. I have like 2 mirrors. So it's just, yeah, this feels like a lot. All right, so this is everything is pretty much packed up now. A few things I just have to like put in a bag or something. But yeah, this is everything. The end of this chapter here. All right, the movers are here. They already moved out my bed. Still gotta take out the dresser and this side thing. But majority of the boxes, well actually all the boxes are gone now. This is what's left. Doing that on the same thing. Yeah. Okay, so this is the night before, and I'm just doing a walkthrough. I had brought some things over to put in the house and also like wipe and clean and disinfect some stuff. And then just making sure I got everything. And now this is move day, and the movers are bringing in everything in. And I'm just like walking through trying to figure out where they need to place things like the furniture. So I put the couch in my room. That's the bed frame, and that's my dresser. And they're just bringing in the things. That's one of the little sideboards that I have. And yeah, so it's just now just organizing everything once everything is brought into the house. And then I'll post a video of everything furnished and what it looks like now that everything is inside the house and I'm fully moved in. All right, so that is it for the moving vlog. I moved from an apartment to a house. So I'm still renting, but I want to let you guys know that there will be more videos showing the updates of how I furnished and how I set up. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.